Catchers, welcome back to my channel. We're back with another video. So today's video is going to be my current favorites. I have some lifestyle, beauty, a little bit of fashion, just things that I've been loving throughout the winter months. But before we get into the video, I want to ask you all to please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're ready to see my favorites, then stay tuned. Something that I have really fallen in love with, candles. Candles have just become my entire life for some reason. I love them. They just permeate throughout my entire home. They smell so good. I like these from Bath & Body Works. During Christmas, my maid of honor, who I love so much, my best friend, she got me the rose candle, which came out in Bath & Body Works holiday seasonal collection, and I absolutely love the way it smelled. I burned the whole thing out and I was like, I have to replace this immediately. So I went to Bath & Body Works, ready to replace it, and it's gone. So they recently just came out with the, I think it's like the fresh scents, and they're made with essential oils. This is fresh cut lilacs, and y'all, it smells so good. I love the way it smells. I'm getting a backup of it ASAP, and they are on sale right now for I think like $12. So cash the sale while you can, girl. I know I am. So the next things I've been loving is perfumes. I have picked up some new perfume scents that I cannot live without. This is Fresh Cream by Philosophy. My mom actually got me on this one. She bought the Fresh Cream line off of QVC. That's where Philosophy is sold at, like Sephora, Ulta, QVC, a lot of different places, but on QVC that's where you can get things in bulk and in bigger sizes. So she was looking at, I think, one of the Philosophy shows on QVC, saw the Fresh Cream scent and ordered it, and she was like, Ivy, you have to try it, it's so amazing. So I did. Bomb.com. It's like a clean whipped cream scent, and I know that sounds so weird, but it smells like whipped cream. So good. It's so light, and I wear it every day basically. It mixes well with my lotion. Like, it's just such a great everyday scent. I love it so much, and it's pretty affordable. I got mine from Sephora. Love it so much. You can't go wrong with it. And they do make it in a body wash, a body mist, which is more of an all over body spray versus just a perfume. I think the perfume is a little more concentrated, which I like, and it lasts all day. I love it. And the other perfume I'm loving is the YSL perfume in Black Opium. It's like where spicy meets sweet. It's not too candy flavoring or not too musk or woodsy. It's just the perfect blend of both. I got the travel size from Sephora on purpose because I wanted to just try it out, make sure I loved it before I got the big size bottle. And that's really a tip that I have when you want to try out different perfumes. Don't always go for the big huge bottles because they are costly. I mean, we all know, I know the next size up from this is like $68, so I didn't want to spend $68 right then and there if I didn't love it, but I do. So one day I will, when this probably runs out. Get the travel size. It just helps you try out things, and I have a few other travel size for perfumes that I wanted to try, and you know, I like them, so I'll get the bigger size at a later date once the travel size goes out. But I know that I'm not using it enough where I need the big size right now, so the travel size definitely works for me. Another thing I wanted to talk about was my phone case. It is the Stand Tall Darling phone case from Signy. It is such a nice phone case. They all are clear like this, you know, so you can see your rose gold phone or whatever shade your phone is. And I just thought it was so cute, and I thought the Stand Tall Darling was a nice message. Actually a really good phone case, not just in cuteness. I actually dropped it right before I recorded this video, and it's no scratches on the phone case. Like, my phone is fine. So my next current favorite is my Impressions Vanity mirror. I love this mirror. As you can see, I use it all the time. It's got foundation on the back, but I love it. It does have a little battery operated switch, so when you touch, it lights up, and it just really illuminates your face and helps you while you're applying your makeup. It's great for travel. I travel with this whenever I go somewhere. just something that's a little bit closer to me instead of just my compact mirrors and a palette. I like that one just to sit down on whatever table I'm doing my makeup at. It's really great. I guess we'll go into fashion next. So first, I'm going to talk about the sweatshirt I have on, and I will insert a picture somewhere of me actually wearing it and how I styled it. But this is from the company L&M, and I really love their sweatshirts. I have another one that says Troop Beverly Hills, which is one of my favorite movies growing up, and I'll insert a picture of that as well. And make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can see these pictures first and don't have to wait for a video. Follow me there. Everything is Davenport. I would love to have you join the family. But I love these sweatshirts. They're so comfortable, and L&M is started by a lady. Her name is Jen G, and her motto is for the effortlessly chic. And I really love that. You know, you can throw on a sweatshirt and put it, I put this with heels when I wore it, but you can put it with jeans and sneakers. You can put a jacket over it. It's thin enough where you won't feel too bulky with your jacket over it, but also thick enough that you could wear it alone in the warmer days. I love this sweatshirt. It's really great quality, very soft, and I love it. It's just, you know, just gives you a little something different. And with this sweatshirt, I would definitely throw on some Sunnies. So these have been my favorite Sunnies at the moment. Giving you angles, yes. These are by my favorite brand, Key Australia, and they are called like wow because these are like wow, they're so gorgeous. They are in the black smoke, and I love these because they go with any outfit. Black sunglasses, you can't go wrong. They're just classic. You need them in your life. They have a rounded with a small cat eye. I love Key Sunnies. They hold up very well, and they have really good quality. I love them so much. I am loving is my black boyfriend cardigan, which I will insert a picture of me wearing it. But it is the best cardigan. I throw it on with pretty much anything if I just am chilly or if I want to just add a little something to my outfit. I love it. I got it from Boohoo. I have it in gray as well. They hold up really well. They're really comfortable. They really do go with anything. So I love that cardigan so much. And it was so affordable. I think it cost me like $14, which is like, you know, you can't beat it. I'm definitely going to be using it to transition into spring. I would love it in another color, but I think it's only in black and gray, but I have to do some investigation. So the next two things I'm going to talk about I got on my birthday, and I never really shared my birthday gifts with you guys, so I thought I should. So the first thing is my Michael Kors book bag, because I love this so much. Thank you, Zach. I so appreciate it. My fiance got it for me, and it has the MK monogram all over it. It is so nice. I take it with me to work every day. It's just easy to be hands-free going in and out of work. Two compartments. The first compartment is, it goes pretty deep in here, and then the back compartment is again a really big compartment, and it has a zipper and two flaps on this side and then two pockets on the front side. It holds lots of things, and I love this bag so much. I don't know if it's online because I don't know where he got it from, because of course he's not going to tell me because it was a gift, but I will try to find something similar to it online. But get you a book bag this season. It doesn't have to be Michael Kors, whatever is your jam. But book bags are back, baby. They're not just for school. And the other thing that I got on my birthday, and this was something that I wanted to do for myself, and I'm really proud of myself for getting this. It just meant a lot to me. I saved my money, and this is my first ever designer purchase. I purchased my first ever Louis Vuitton wallet, and I am in love with her. I'm in love with her. This is the Josephine wallet. It has the button flap, and when you open it, you can fit 4 cards in the front. And then it has a back flap where I just have some like extra cards at. It's got a middle part for, again, sticking, you can stick cash in here. Then it's got another flap for cash, as well as a zipper compartment for change. And on the inside, this is the rose ballerine color, the light pink. And after we get married, I am going to get my new initials gold hot stamped right here in gold. I am so excited for that. Can't wait. I absolutely love this wallet. It is so nice, and I'm so proud of myself just for getting it. I really, you know, saved my money and budgeted for it, and it was my gift to myself for my 23rd birthday. Before I wrap up in fashion, I have 2 pairs of shoes that I have to share with you guys. So the first is my Adidas Edge Luxe running sneakers. I absolutely love these sneakers. I wear them every day to the gym, and you know I've been hitting the gym because my wedding is 4 months away. It's actually less than 4 months away, so I've really been in the gym, and they are lightweight. They're really cute. I mean, they're hot pink, so I think they're adorable, duh. But and I love the like thicker shoestring. I really like that about them. But they are so comfortable to run in or do any kind of stability exercising, you know, when I'm doing squats or lifting weights, things like that. I really love wearing these shoes. They have been the best sneakers I've ever worn to the gym so far. I did size half a size down because Adidas shoes run really big on me, so I didn't get my normal size. I normally wear an 8.5, but I did get an 8 in these because they were just a little bit big. The last pair of shoes I want to talk about are my Franco Sarto flats, which you can see have a dent in them because I wear them so much. They are so comfortable and they go with everything. I will insert a picture of me wearing them, but I love these shoes. They are black, so they go with any color. They do have them come in gray, which I originally was drawn to, but then I saw the black and I was like, well, maybe I'll get black because it goes with everything. But they are some of the best shoes. I wear them in rain, I wear them when it's dry. They just go with every outfit, and they're just easy to throw on. So I love those kind of shoes. And I am loving is the Morphe 3502 palette. I have used it in a tutorial, which I will link up above. And the black shadow fell out, but it's okay. It's okay. But I love this palette. It is just all my tones, all my shades. This is me. I love this palette. It's so nice. I'm wearing it as my crease color today. I love the color Spice. It's like a terracotta. That's my favorite shade in the palette. But this is gonna be great spring, summer, winter, fall. This is great. You need it all seasons. And it's, I think, like $22 for 35 shadows. You can't beat it. Get on it. Morphe 3502. Get into it. Next, I have been loving these. The Artist Couture Jackie Aina highlighter. I have La Peach and La Bronze. And these are beautiful highlights. They are women of color friendly. Jackie Aina is a woman of color, and she wanted to make a highlighter that was a deeper rose gold that would fit our skin tones, because sometimes rose gold highlights can be silvery on us and not give us that gold, you know, feel that we need. And I am wearing both highlights right now. They are so gorgeous and so beautiful. I wear them all the time, and the great thing is a little bit goes a long way, so you can build them up or you can wear them pretty naturally, like skin like, to make it look more skin like. I tap my beauty blender on top of the highlight to tone it down some when I want those days, and other days I just want to blind. So the next thing I have been loving are the Buxom lip pencils. They are called the Plump Line Lip Liner, y'all. I don't know where they've been all my life. This is a shade Covert Affair, which I am actually wearing right now, and it's meant to be bigger so that you could wear it alone as a lipstick or as your lip color, because it does have a brush on the end so that you could fill in your lips with the lip pencil, and which I have done numerous times. It is so easy. It doesn't come off that way because lip pencil is meant to stay on. So I love these. They have come in a range of shades. This is a burnt orange, and it goes so great with a lot of different shades. I like it with some nudes. I like it with this orange I have on. It goes with a lot of things, and it stays on all day. And another thing I've been loving is the MAC Ambering Rose blush. This has been in my collection forever. I have 2 of them because I thought I lost it, and I had to rebuy it because I was like, all right, if you lost this blush, you know, life is ending, basically. Not really, but kind of. So I love Ambering Rose. I've had it forever. It is the first blush I've ever bought from MAC, and it's just a beautiful red brown shimmer blush. It goes with any look that I create. And the last part of makeup that I have loved is Colourpop, y'all. Colourpop is banging. Like, you know, gotta give credit where credit is due. Colourpop is booming. And something I've loved from them lately, their bronzer in the shade Rodeo Drive. I know it looks It looks a little bit light and almost like my skin tone in the pan, but once you put it on, it is a lot deeper. It makes me look more sun-kissed, like I've been out in the sun, even though it's spraying in here. But you know, gotta do what you gotta do. And I absolutely love it so much. It's affordable. I think it's $8 for the compact, $7 for if you want just the pan. And but it is one of the best matte bronzers I have tried. It's affordable. It's easy to use. The compact has a pretty big mirror inside. Love this bronzer. So the last product I have to talk about is the Colourpop Luxe lipsticks. These are so nice. I've really been into lipsticks lately, and these came out the beginning of February, and I have not stopped wearing them. I am wearing the shade Get a Room. It's like a bright red orange, and these stay on all day. They are such a nice formula. I think they're $7 a piece, and they feel like heavy and nice. They're rose gold packaging with stars on them, and like this is the nude shade I got, and they have stars. I hope you guys can see that. So they have stars on the packaging, and it's just, they really took their time to put thought into it. I really like these. This is the shade Uno Mas, which is a nice peachy pink nude. The shade Ghosted, which is a pretty dusty rose. And the shade that I'm wearing called Get a Room, which is a bright red orange. I really love these. Okay, and that was gonna be the last product, but I almost forgot to put this one in. I just have to. It is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. The Gloss Bomb is bomb. Like, I love this over lipsticks on its own. It's a nice nude rose gold color. The packaging is great. It smells like a sweet vanilla scent. I love it so much. The Gloss Bomb is booming, is great, and it just looks good, you know, on anybody. Riri knows what she's doing. She knows. And that eye catchers are my current beauty, lifestyle, and fashion favorites. I hope that you guys love this video. If you want me to continue doing favorites, please give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you hit the subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys.